Yeah, guys, last class what we discussed?
Last class we discussed about HashMap.
Hash map. Yeah. So guys, you people are practice with that hash map.
Yes, sir, practice.
Yeah. So guys, today we can discuss about that hash map internal flow, right?
Yes, sir.
Guys, in the website, I'm not updated that hash map internal flow. I'm created on page for that. So I will update you guys. So there is a. Can you go ahead, guys? What are the hash map limitations? Is there? What we can do in that hash map?
So we can add the add like put method
Okay.
for HashMap doesn't support a duplicate value and also null value.
Okay. Null value not allowed.
Only one.
Null value only one. Huh?
Sir, only one key value consider and multiple null value.
Yeah, only key is null allow. Multiple null
Yes,
value can be, it can be allowed. Okay.
yes, sir.
Next. Order is preserved or not, guys?
Order is featured and it
Preserved
is
or
non-sequential.
preserved order. Here order is not preserved, guys. It can be stored based on that hash code only, right? Yeah. Yeah. So guys, how it is going to work into that hash map internally, I will explain you. First of all, what are the there is some limitation is there, guys. You people can check here. There is a hash map. Map is a interface, and that map interface can contain three implementation class. That is that hash map,
The
linked hash
screen is
map.
not visible.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Now,
Yes,
yeah.
visible.
So map is a interface. It is not part of that collection framework, guys. So that map interface can contain that three implementation class, that is hash map, linked hash map, and hash table. So what are the limitations is available into that hash map? I already given here, guys. Map interface is a implemented by hash map, and hash map store that element by using that mechanism called as a hashing mechanism, and it contains value based on that key value pairs, and it contains a unique key, and it can store one null key and multiple null values, guys. Insertion order is not maintained, and it is based on that hash code of that keys. So hash map is a non-synchronized, right? So guys, this is that limitation, and that underlying data structure hash map is that what, guys? There is a hash table and linked list. So guys, that hash map initial capacity is that 16, right? What is the initial capacity of that hash map, guys?
16.
16, right? So 1 minute, guys, it is not able to share a bula, right? So that hash map three implementation class, hash map, linked hash map, hash table, and this is the limitations, guys. So I'm going to give in that one of the what, guys, I created to that hash map. What are the limitations is there, and how it is going to working internally for that hash map, guys. So I will explain you, guys. So this is that very important. Enter that hash map map interface. Which one is that? Important is nothing but hash map is that important, guys, because of if you know to that how internally that data can be stored, right, guys, then that interviewer also they will ask this kind of questions only. What is that hash map internal flow, and what is the limitation of that hash map, they will ask, guys. Guys, you people can check here. You people can check here when I'm going to see here, guys, that HashMap internal flow. HashMap internal flow. I'm going to explaining you guys. So you people can check when we create HashMap object internally. It will be create what, guys? 16 bucket. See, this is that HashMap, guys. This is that HashMap object. So when we are going to creating HashMap, then internally like this HashMap will be created, and this is that there is a what, guys, we can call as a segment, guys, bucket, we can call as a bucket, right, guys? How many bucket it will be created? 16 bucket it will be created, and that index position start with the what, guys? 0. That is the reason there is a 15 bucket will be 16 bucket will be created. That index position start with 0 and end with that 15. That is the reason that hash map internally can be managed 16 bucket, guys, right? Someone joining here. 1 minute, guys. Someone joining. No. Okay. So here you people can check here, guys. Each bucket internally using what, guys? Linked list. What is that linked list? You people can. So HashMap internally using to that what, guys, linked list concept. I said you there is a each bucket internally data stored based on that linked list, guys. So linked list internally using node concept, guys. How it is going to creating node concept? You people can check here, guys. When I am going to node concept is nothing but that node concept can be divided into 4 parts here, guys. There is a key, value, hash code, and next node address, guys. Next node address. What is that next node address here, guys? 1011. That 1011 can be storing into that last node, guys, right? So coming to that, there is a next node, guys. There is, it is also can be stored key, value, hash code, and null. Why it is going to store in null is nothing but if there is no next node is there, then that last node can be that node can be content 4 part, right, guys? That last part can be initialized with what, guys? Null value, because of there is no node, right? You people can check here, guys. When we are going to creating a hash map object, see, guys, you people to know already how we can create a hash map is nothing but hash map hs equal to new hash map. When we are going to creating that hash map object internally, this is that box will be created, guys. This is the object will be created internally, right? So this is the object will be created, and how many, what is the initial capacity of that hash map is, guys? There is a 16 bucket will be, it will be created internally, and that index position start with that 0, and what, guys, that is that end with that 15. That is the reason it can be maintained internally 15 bucket 16 bucket, guys. You people can check here, guys. When I'm going to adding that element hs data using that put method, and I'm going to adding that element, guys. 101 is that key, and string is that value, guys, string value. So here key also object, guys, and string also object, means it can be internal, it can be divided as an integer, and this is the string is that internal, it will be converted as what, guys? String. Then I'm going to adding almost 3 to 4 object here, guys, once by using that put method. By using that put method, I'm going to adding 101 Srinu, 102 Shiva, 103 Varun, and 104 is that Meenakshi. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to adding to that 4 element. Then what happened internally? You people can check here, guys. When we use the put method, when we are going to using this put method, then inside there is a put method. There is a method, what, guys? Put method can be take help of what, guys? There is a hash method is there, guys. Inside that put method, there is a hash method is there. By using that hash method can be take. This is that hash method, right, guys? By using that hash method, that method can be take as a argument key, and hash method can be generated. Hash method can be generated hash code, guys. Hash code value it can be generated. Then that what guys? Then that based on that modular operator, guys, there is a modular operator is there, guys. Based on that modular operator, it can be defined that index position, guys. It's not able to go to that particular index position, guys. That modular operator can be decided which index position need to store that object. So here you people can check here, guys. I'm going to give in that example how it is going to store in the data. You people can check here, guys. When I'm going to add into that hs.put method 101 Srinu, at that moment what it will be happen, guys, it can be stored index position 6th. We can assume, guys, that data can be stored based on that index position, right? Why he's the person is joining and left that, right? Right? So you people can check here, guys. I'm going to adding to that 101 data first time. At that moment, we can assume that data can be stored onto that index position. What, guys? 6th. What is that index position 6th? You people can check here, guys. How we can decide that index position as a 6th is nothing but there is a modular operator is there, right, guys? By using that modular operator, that can be generated a hash code, and that hash code you people can check here, guys. We can assume that what, guys, hash code is that 112 and at the rate hs126 is that my hash code, guys. And that index position can be decided that what, guys, modular operator, and it can be decided what, guys, sixth index position is that index position, and the data can be storing into that where, guys, inside that index position 6. So what is that my value? You people can check here, guys. 101 Srinu. That Srinu can be stored inside that index position 6th. Means 6th bucket that internally managing what concept, guys? But what linked list concept it is going to managing. That linked list internally it can be using to that node concept. That is the reason 101 is that key and Srinu is that value, and this is that word, guys. This is that hash code, and this is that word, guys. This is that next linked list address, guys. What is that my next linked list address? You people can check here, guys. I'm going to decide it here 201 is that next index position, next linked list address I'm going to storing in that, right? So how it is going to storing that index position 6 based on that modular operator, guys. I'm going to store in that one more object, guys. You people can check here hs data put 102 and Shiva is that value, guys. It can be stored that index position. You people can check here, guys. Index position 9, and we can assume that index what, guys, that modular operator generated that hash code is that 112 at the rate hs 129. You keep people can assume. Then that value can be stored that index position 9. That value can be stored here, guys. You people can check. Already I'm going to store in that 102, and Shiva is that value, and hash code is stored, and there is a null, guys. Because of there is no next node, that is the reason that node can be contain null. Last part is that null, guys. Right? How it is happened here? Same thing. It's happened like that only, guys. So what I'm going to doing here, what I'm going to doing here, you people can check here, guys. I'm going to adding one more element. I'm going to adding one more object 103 here, guys. When I'm going to using hs3 dot hs dot put 103 Varun is that my data, guys. It can be stored that index position word, guys. We can assume again it can be that index position decided word, guys, 6 only. That index position already index position decided by that modular operator 6, guys. That modular operator index position decided that 6, then you people can go and check that index position 6 already data is there or not, guys. 101 stream is the data is there or not. So what happened when I'm going to using to that when it is going to using that storing that data, one more data can be storing with the same index position. At that moment what happened, you people can check here, guys. That index position 6 at that position 6 only, but index position 6 already data is there, guys. That data is that 101 is the data, right? So you people can check here, guys. Second object not stored directly, guys. Which one we are going to trying to add that data at second what guys, index position 6. At that moment it is not able to store directly, right? In index position 6, what it will be happen, you people can check, guys, that at that time what happened, that hash map, there is a equal method is there, guys. That hash map you will be take, and that what, guys, what is the method, equal method it will be take, and it can be check, it can be check that both element is equal or not, it will be check, guys. Both element, both object is equal or not. How it is going to checking that internally means, e1 is that we can assume, guys, e1 is that my object and e2 is that my object. By using that equals method I am going to checking. So internally how it is going to checking that e1 dot e2 is nothing but what is that e1 object, guys. E1 object you can assume that 101 Srinu, and I'm going to use in that equals method. And what, guys, e2 object is nothing but 103, and data is that Varun, guys. At that moment what happened, guys, you people can check if both object, both content, both object content are same, then it can be replaced, guys. You people can check here, guys. 101 Srinu equals to 103 Varun. If it is both are equal, then which one is that adding to that next object, it will be replaced, and there already existed data for that index position 6 is there, right? It can be replaced and that object will be stored. But coming to that example, guys, 101 Srinu is equals to 103 Varun, is that equal or not, guys? It is equal.
No, sir.
No, at that moment what it will be happen, it can be if that both content are not same, then it can be stored in the next in node, guys. It can be stored next node. How it is going to store, you people can check here, guys. That example I am going to give in 101 is that 101 is that 101 is that key, string is that value. This is that one node, guys. This is that one node, it already existed inside that where, guys, index position 6, guys, right? So that this is that index position 6 is that 101 data can be stored already. Then I'm going to trying to adding that one more element, that is that what, guys, 103 data I'm going to store it, but that is also decided by that index position 6, but already that data can be stored internally, that index position 6. At that moment what happened, guys, that hash map will be take that equals method, and it will be both object are equal or not, it will be checked. If it is same, the data can be replaced, guys, with that existing data. If it is not equal, at that moment it will be created one more object, guys, one more node, linked list will be created like that. And that what, guys, that data can be stored internally. You people can check here, guys. There is a 101 is there, then what it will be happen, 103 object will be stored, and one Varun will be stored, and there is a hash code also will be generated, right, guys, for that. And there is a no next index, then there is a no next node is there, guys. That is the reason it will become as a null, right, guys? Then you people can check here, guys. You people can check here, if one node, one bucket can contain one bucket can contain, you people can check here, guys. There is a hashing collision concept, it will become, guys. What is hashing collision, you people can check. There is a hashing collision concept is there, guys. That hashing, what is that hashing collision is nothing but if one bucket can contain multiple node, then we can call as a hashing collision, guys. You people can check, guys, which one is that which bucket is that hashing collision can getting here, guys, tell me.
6, sir.
Yeah, index position
Index
6 is getting that hashing collision because of that index position 6. There is a multiple node is there, guys. Multiple node is there. Then we can call as a hashing collision. But if I want to avoid that hashing collision, then we can use by what method, guys? Here by using that equals method. How it is going to checking both data are equal or not? It will be checked. If it is equal, then it can be replaced with that existing object. If it is not able to equal for comparing with the both object, then it will be creating what guys, one more new node, and the data can be stored here guys. Guys, getting or
Sir, it
not? It
can
is.
happen real time in a scenario, sir.
Yes, yes, it is that real time scenario.
Because there are a lot of bucket, right? So then again, why we go again?
Yes, yes. There is a lot of bucket is there, but where the data can be stored, which bucket it can be stored, we are not able to analyze, guys, because of that index position. It can be decided by what, guys? There is a modular operator. I said you right. That modular operator can be decided. It can be generate a hash code base. It can be decided that the index position, there is a, you people can check here guys, there is a hash method is there. Put method can be take that a hash method. That hash method can be take as a key, guys. Argument can be taking that key, and it will be generated that hash code, guys. Based on that hash code, that modular operator can be decide to that index position, guys, right? So that index position can be decided to that modular operator, and which data we are going to trying to add, that data can be decided at modular operator, and that data can be stored into that bucket. Guys, getting or not? It is. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, in real time scenario it will be happen, guys. Not real time scenario, but yeah, when we are going to use into that hash map concept internally, that workflow happen like this only, right guys? So
Yes, sir.
it is that very 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 important, guys, and it is making to that lot of confusion to the people, really. It can be meant, it can be what, guys? There is a hashing collision concept. It will become they, when we are going to explaining to that hash map internal flow, immediately they will ask that what is hashing collision. Immediately they will ask what is that hashing collision. If one bucket can contain multiple node, then we can call it as a hashing collision, guys. That is the definition you people getting. How we can avoid? Immediately they will ask a question, how we can avoid to that hashing collision? By using what method, guys? By using that equals method, guys. Clear or not? It is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is that internal flow of that hash map, guys. Right? So this is that image. I'm not going to upload it inside that website, guys. I will upload this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, this is that hash map internal flow. It's completed. Then there is a one more concept is there, guys. That is that linked hash map, and what, guys? Hash table is there, right? So that linked hash map, you people can check here, guys. What is that linked hash map? Uh, Guys, linked hash map also, if you know to that linked hash set, then same functionality is there, guys, for that linked hash map. You people can check linked hash map. The basic data structure is that combination of linked list and hash table, and it is the same as that hash map except above the different, right?
Yes, sir.
What is that hash map? It's happen. What are the functionalities there? Same thing is there, but some few different is there, guys. What is that different? Is nothing but that order, guys. Hash map can be maintaining to that order, guys. Hash map can be maintaining to that
No,
order.
No, sir.
No, right?
No, sir.
No,
But
no.
if I want to maintain that order, then which concept we can go, guys? Linked hash map, guys.
Yes.
Linked hash
Yes.
map, guys. In coming to that set also is there. In hash set, that data can be order is preserved there.
No.
No, but I need to order is maintained. Then which concept I need to go for that set interface? There is a linked hash
Cancel.
set. Linked hash set is there, right, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, you can go that, guys. There is a linked hash set is that implementation class is there, guys. If I want to maintain a insertion order, what guys, order is preserved, then we can go for that in hash in set concept. There is a hash set is that linked hash set is that concept is there, guys. Coming to that map, same as like map, you people can check. Map, first of all, hash map is not able to maintain into that order because of that object can be storing based on that hash code. If I want to store the data, if I want to store order is preserved, then we can go for what concept, guys? Linked hash map, right? So you people can go with that example, guys. You people can read it, guys, and you can what you are completed to that hash map, same thing is there. If you want to go to that maintaining that order, then we can use this linked hash map, guys. And there is a hash table is there, guys. That hash table I will tell you tomorrow how to create that hash map. I already given you, guys. There is a there are three ways to we can create in that hash table. This is that there is a default initial what, guys, default capacity of that hash map 0.75, and there is a hash set. This is that way we can create in that object, guys. Hash map object, right? We can give that capacity also. And tomorrow I will explain you, guys. There is a hash table is that left that concept. What is the purpose of hash table? I will explain you, right, guys. You people already gone through that POCs, right, guys, for that hash map, that internal flow. Just I'm going to explain how it is happening internally, guys. Clear?
The tree map also is there, right? Or not, sir?
Where in map?
Yes, sir.
No, hash table is there.
Because they are teaching session.
Hash table, there is a three types, three implementation class is there, guys. And map, hash map, think the hash map, hash table. Can check. Yeah, if it is that tree map is there, we can check, guys. If it is there, one minute.